Introduction, where Parisian elegance meets American farmhouse charm. Welcome to Rumi House, your destination for timeless home design and inspiring décor ideas. Today, we're touring a Parisian colonial farmhouse that perfectly blends refined European elegance with classic American warmth. This home captures the romance of Parisian architecture while embracing the comfort and practicality of a traditional farmhouse. From the balanced façade to the thoughtfully layered interiors, every space reflects harmony, craftsmanship, and understated luxury. Exterior design, a symmetrical statement of grace, the exterior showcases classic colonial symmetry enhanced with Parisian details. A soft cream façade contrasts elegantly with dark shutters and a steeply pitched roof. Tall French-style windows allow abundant natural light, while wrought iron accents add European refinement. The front entrance is framed by subtle columns and warm lantern lighting, creating a welcoming first impression. Entryway, an elegant first impression. Inside, the entryway feels bright and open with high ceilings and warm oak flooring. A classic console table paired with a large mirror reflects natural light, instantly enhancing the sense of space. Decorative molding along the walls introduces architectural depth without overwhelming the design. The staircase, featuring black iron balusters and a gently curved form, becomes a focal point. This space sets the tone for the entire home. Living room, refined comfort. The living room embodies Parisian sophistication, softened by farmhouse textures. Linen sofas in warm neutral tones surround a stone fireplace that anchors the space. Light wooden ceiling beams add subtle rustic character, while a delicate chandelier introduces elegance. Large French windows flood the room with natural light, enhancing its airy ambience. Carefully curated décor pieces and layered textiles create warmth, making the room feel inviting yet polished. Kitchen, rustic elegance in harmony. The kitchen combines classic cabinetry in a muted cream finish with marble countertops and brass hardware. A spacious island serves as the heart of the room, ideal for both preparation and gathering. Pendant lighting adds warmth while maintaining refined simplicity. Open shelving displays ceramics and glassware, contributing to a curated farmhouse aesthetic. The space feels functional yet luxurious, perfectly balancing beauty and practicality. Dining room, timeless gatherings. The dining room features a long wooden table surrounded by upholstered chairs in soft neutral fabrics. A crystal chandelier casts a warm glow, elevating everyday meals into elegant gatherings. Sheer linen curtains frame tall windows, allowing daylight to gently illuminate the room. Subtle wall paneling enhances the Parisian character while preserving farmhouse charm. Family room, cozy sophistication. This secondary living space offers a more relaxed atmosphere while maintaining cohesive design. Soft-toned seating, layered rugs, and warm lighting create comfort without sacrificing elegance. Built-in shelving displays books and decorative accents, adding personality and texture. The balance between simplicity and refinement continues throughout. Primary bedroom, serene retreat. The primary bedroom embraces calmness through a soothing palette of creams and soft grays. An upholstered headboard and layered bedding create inviting comfort. Natural light filters through French doors that open to garden views, enhancing the tranquil mood. Subtle decorative details keep the space elegant yet uncluttered. Primary bathroom spa-like luxury. The bathroom features marble flooring, a freestanding soaking tub, and brass fixtures that elevate the design. A glass-enclosed shower introduces modern functionality while preserving classic style. Soft lighting and neutral tones create a relaxing, spa-inspired environment that complements the overall aesthetic of the home. Guest bedroom, welcoming comfort. The guest bedroom continues the neutral palette with soft linens and classic furnishings. Thoughtful styling ensures visitors feel both comfortable and surrounded by beauty. Simple decor, natural textures, and gentle lighting maintain the refined farmhouse atmosphere. Home office, elegant productivity. The home office blends function and style with built-in shelving and a solid wood desk positioned near a bright window. Crown molding and vintage-inspired lighting preserve architectural consistency. This space supports productivity while reflecting the same timeless elegance found throughout the home. Outdoor patio, indoor-outdoor harmony. The outdoor patio extends the farmhouse charm with stone flooring, wrought iron furniture, and comfortable seating. A shaded pergola creates the perfect setting for alfresco dining. Surrounding greenery softens the architecture and reinforces the French countryside inspiration. Backyard garden, romantic simplicity. The landscaped garden combines manicured lawns with natural plantings. Stone pathways guide movement while maintaining a relaxed aesthetic. The outdoor environment complements the home's elegance, offering a peaceful retreat for everyday living. Architectural details, craftsmanship in every corner throughout the home, crown molding, paneling, and carefully selected finishes reflect thoughtful craftsmanship. Each detail supports the overall theme of Parisian refinement blended with American farmhouse warmth. The consistent use of natural materials and balanced proportions ensures a cohesive design experience from room to room. Lighting design, soft and inviting ambience lighting, plays a key role in shaping the home's atmosphere. Chandeliers, sconces, and pendant fixtures create layered illumination that feels warm and welcoming. Natural light remains central, enhancing textures and highlighting architectural features. Conclusion: a perfect fusion of elegance and comfort, this Parisian colonial farmhouse beautifully demonstrates how European sophistication and American farmhouse charm can coexist in perfect harmony. From the symmetrical exterior to the serene interiors, Every space reflects timeless design and thoughtful detail. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to subscribe to Rumi House, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more inspiring home design tours soon.